Are you tired of typing long URLs or phone numbers? You want to share your website's contact information or product details easily? QR codes are a perfect solution, and with Presoft Hub free online tool, you can create them in seconds. Our QR code generator is a powerful tool that allows you to create QR codes for a variety of purposes, including websites, tests, messages, phone numbers, social media profiles, and more. Hey everyone, I'm Precious and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to learn how to create free QR codes using Presoft Hub's online tool. It is a great way to share information quickly and easily. So let's get started. Now head over to your browser and click on presofthub.com. You can access it from the menu by heading over to the Smart QR Codes and selecting QR Code Generator. When the page has loaded successfully, just scroll over to where you have enter text or URL to type a text that you want to generate code for. As you are typing, you have noticed that the code is generating automatically. Then you can further customize this code by changing the dot color to any color of your choice. You can also use the color picker if you are using system. And you can also select the background color. When you are done with that, you may not need to click on generate QR code because it's generating automatically. Just click on download QR code, and there you have it. Let's have a preview. Now, to confirm if your QR code is working, you may use your smartphone or any device to scan through and see if the information you typed on the URL on the text box is really encoded in the QR code. So in this video, we've learned how to create free QR codes using the Presoft Hub online tool. This is just a quick and easy way to share information with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Don't forget to share your QR code in the comments below. Thanks for joining us in our today's episode, and I'll see you in the next video.